Good day, everybody. Chense Maloba again here. I would like to welcome you guys back to the channel. Of course, those that are new, do yourself a favor, click that subscribe button down below. It's red, it's black, it's white, depending on the on your software updates on your phone. But go ahead and find that subscribe button down below and click on it. Right. Today's topic is part 3. So if you haven't seen part 1, part 2, you must go back in my other videos that I've posted in this channel after watching this one. Then so that you can understand this much better. So this is part 3, right? We're going to use stop loss and take profit effectively. Now we're doing this on a board, but once we're done doing this on the board, remember we're doing 10 sessions, right? So this is part 3. So we are still left to 7 sessions. Once we are done with this, we are going to switch to the screen where we are going to show you these things that we've been teaching you on screen. So you must be part of this. You must be part of this. You want to be part of this. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Like the video as well. Guys, let's like this video as well, because that will actually help this video be pushed according to the YouTube algorithm so it can reach more people. Don't be selfish with information. Anyways, let's talk about where to use and how to use stop losses and take profit. Remember yesterday we talked a lot about where to take trades, right? So we will assume that we've already taken the trade. So this will be a sell trade. I know I did talk about this on the previous session, but I just thought let's just go and repeat this once more. So it will be buy trade on this side, right? Buy trade. So let's have an illustration of how a sell trade will look like. So you remember this. I'm not going to talk much about this, but you'll remember what this is. Let's go ahead and illustrate what a sell trade will look like. So you will remember what this is, right? But I will put a marking on it so you can quickly understand what's going on. So on the buy one, yes, but as you can see, this will be a sell trade and this will be a buy trade. So these are two illustrations that are different because you already know what this means and what this means according to the previous session that we had. So let's just mark this point. As you know, what that is and what that is. This is the head, this is the shoulder, this is the shoulder, right? And then this side, we are going to have two double bottoms. They form a double formation. We've already talked about this on the previous video. So for now, let's just continue with what we want to illustrate today, right? Which is where to put your stop loss and take profit. Stop loss and take profit. So want to understand where to put these two on this trade, right? So let me show you quickly where the trade is. The trade is here. You already know why the trade is there. Remember the last leg. If you don't know what the last leg is, go in my previous videos. And then this is where we took the trade. Here we took a buy. Here we took a sell. We can use maybe a lot size of 0.10. Not a problem. You will take a lot size according to your own account size. So since the market continued to go down after our sale, as now it's here, it means we're already in profit. So as it goes back like that, to make a retracement, you can quickly add another sell. But let me not confuse you. Let me just stick to one trade. But this is how you add extra trades if you want to add extra trades, right? Then for now, this is where the market is. And then here, this is where the market is. So after taking a buy, you are already in profit. After taking a sell, you're already in profit. Because remember, a sell means down, buy means up. So you are already in profit in this illustration. But remember, this is just an illustration. We are not on the live markets. Here we are just on a whiteboard, me trying to show you how to understand these things. So now, if this is where you took your sell, where should you put your stop loss? It should be on the previous high or low point. So since this is a sell, it should be on the previous high point. So this is our previous high point. So this is where you are going to put your what? Your stop loss. And then let's go to the next one. Where do you put your stop loss here? Because this is a buy, then you are going to go for the lowest point, previous lowest point. This is our previous lowest point. So fortunately there are two of them. So we're going to put our stop loss just below them. Stop loss, as you can see. So this is where we put our stop losses on both trades. Now let's continue with what? With take profit. Take profit, remember the levels? Do you remember the levels? If you do remember the levels, go ahead and click that like button so that it shows that you understand exactly what I'm trying to show you here. And also don't forget to click the subscribe button if you are new, because now remember, in these sessions, if you master all of them, you'll become an equipped trader. This is the best information you can ever receive in the whole year. So this will be our level 1. This will be our level 2. If you don't understand what this is, like I said, go to my previous videos. Then it means, since this is where we took our trade, we're expecting the last level, then we are out. So the market comes back, complete the last level, level 3. Then after this, you exit your trade. You will count your levels and then exit your trade. But then in the meantime, if you don't want to be in front of the screen to exit your trade, you want to use what you call take profit, then you simply use the average distance of this level, and predict the next level, and that's where you're going to be putting your what? Your TP. Just looking by your eyes where the next level will be. You know, you can easily predict. Even if you predict here, you are still fine. So take profit is all up to your preference. So let's say you put it here, and the market never reaches this point. It means your trade will go back into loss, right? But to prevent that, because this is where you took a trade, this is where your sell is. You take the stop loss, you move it down as the market moves. So this is where your stop loss is now. This is where your stop loss will be. So now if the market never reaches a take profit and it reverses, it hits the stop loss, you've already made a profit of from here to here, where your stop loss has been moved to. You understand? So at least you didn't lose everything. You just lost from there to there, and then it didn't go back to the original place where you took the trade. So you made a small profit. So if ever it had reached here, you would have made, let's say, 2,000 rands, right? But it never did. So here it was already on 1.5, but you never closed the trade. So it reversed. So at least you took 1,000 rand. You understand? So this is how you are going to understand how to use a take profit and a stop loss. So what I just said here also applies on the sell side. You expect the last move, level 1, level 2, level 3. You expect the next move. And if this is where you took a trade, level 1, level 2, level 3, you exit your trade. Exit your trade. And then after exiting that trade, that's it. You've banked and you wait for the next trade. Maybe it will give you a reversal pattern according to what I showed you yesterday. But if it doesn't, you just wait for the day it will, or just move to another pair. That's how you become profitable, right? But then if you want to use your take profit, you also do the same thing. You predict the distance, and you think maybe it's gonna reach here. This is where you put a take profit. Guys, so take profit is not like you can never know the exact point where it will reach, but it's just a prediction. Remember, everything in Forex is about prediction. So you can apply this information in Forex trading, in FX trading, in indices trading, in stock trading, commodity trading. So you can apply this information in all those, even in crypto trading, synthetic trading. I know now I'm ruining everything, but you understand what I mean. Synthetic trading, this is MT5, where you trade with those boom and crash and everything. You can use this strategy. Crypto, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever the case may be. Commodity, you can trade sugar, you can trade gold, silver, whatever the case may be. Stocks, these are shares. Indices, these are EFTs. That they were, you know, indices. Companies that have come together with just using one share price to increase the, you know, they call it, don't put your money in one basket. So you are diversifying stocks. So this is stocks, but being diversified. So this is FX trading. These are currency pairs. Yeah. So you can use this information in either one of those markets. So this is the information, guys. We should be done by now. Don't forget, if you are new in the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, and also like the video, as that will help you, assist you, be updated every time I drop new videos. As part 4 of this is coming, you must be part of this channel. So go ahead and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace. Yes, wait. Hold on. Don't be chacharach. Now, guys, this video is sponsored by my company, Forex Champions. In Forex Champions, we do offer advanced training where I can train you, but for now we just do online training, which is 3,500 rands to get the online training, which is about $200 US. So we do an online training via Zoom. We can teach you an advanced session, one-on-one. I handle everything that you need to know at the end of these sessions. So these sessions are going to consist of 5 individual sessions where I'm going to be taking you from the start to the end. Only do online training. There are no meetups because we want to cover everybody and everything needs to be fair for everybody all around the world. So it doesn't matter which country you are from, we can cater for you as well. We also have a Forex robot, a Forex EA. It's a fully automated robot that trades for you. That means you gotta install MT4 on your laptop. You need a laptop, you need internet access. You install MT4 on your laptop. Once you've done that, you can get our robot, you install it in your laptop, and it can trade for you and make profits for you. That's what we offer. If you are interested, hit us up on my WhatsApp line. The number is down below on your screen. And also, if you are interested, make sure you have 2 things: laptop and internet access. Guys, see you on the next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to be updated every time I drop new videos. Peace. See you on the next one. Cheers.